In this video, I will demonstrate how to add social media links to the footer section of the Shopify store. In the current example, I'll be using Dawn theme. So to proceed with the change, simply log in Shopify account and then click on the online store. Then look for Dawn theme and select Customize. Once the editor loads, on the left, look for the theme settings. It looks like a paintbrush icon. And within the theme settings, select social media. So right now you can add several social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. So for the purpose of this example, I will go ahead and add my YouTube channel link. So let me copy the full link and then paste it under the YouTube section. And it should populate right at the footer. So let me go ahead and save it. And let's see if it has been reflected on the site. Yep, so here's the link to my YouTube channel, and works. So I hope you found this Shopify tip useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.